Excel most underrated features that can literally automate your busy work. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same steps over and over in Excel, formatting cells, inserting rows, cleaning up data, there's a way to automate all of it. Go to the View tab. Click the drop-down under Macros and hit Record Macro. Now Excel is watching everything you do. I will add a shortcut key Ctrl-L to this. Let's say you bold the header row, change the fill color and resize the column, add table, etc. Once you're done, hit stop recording and boom, it saved that entire sequence. Then replay at any time. We have assigned Ctrl-L as our shortcut, or just assign it to a button. To replay with Ctrl-L to a list of another data, it will apply to the area it has captured early automatically. You can do that to a fast data, and you make your work more easier with just a hit of a button or a shortcut. Congrats, you just automated a repetitive task without writing a single line of code. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used the macro recorder.